Mayapad manapon kay kayo. Live na live pa rin po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Out of the 3 games, dalawa ang dikit na dikit. And we expect more inspiring basketball action here. At kasama natin mga fans dito. Kaway-kaway mga fans sa likod. Opo, nilingkod Ryan para po lamang. 4th game at hand dito. Santa Rita, CALOGURAN versus San Simon. We're gonna expect a bruising battle, considering that these two squads ay isa sa mga pinaka malalaking player. And of course, Santa Rita, they are triple LR basketball representing, and of course San Simon, Pampanga, both of them debuting for this game. And of course, wag nga natin patagalin, ipasa na natin sa ating venue announcer for the starters for both squads. Okay, of course, ang inyong pinapanood po ay ang Delta Cup 2023 Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. Live po tayo sa ating Facebook page. Like and share our Facebook pages of Pampanga Public Information Office and Sinag Liga Asia. Very important announcement para sa ating mga ka-basketball world. Well, ang mga pinabot sa atin ng ating mga former Pampanga players natin na naglalaro sa professional level, si Gabby Espinas at si Jason Castro na parehong tubong Pampanga. They just message us that their head coach of PCO Dolphins 2004, Coach Ato Tolentino, just passed away earlier. At kami po sa Delta Cup ay lubos na nakikiramay sa naulila ng pamilya ni Coach Ato Tolentino. Memorial service will be held tonight at 8 p.m. at Loyola Memorial Park in Emerald Chapel, Marikina City. Again, the Delta Cup and Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the rest of Sinag Liga Asia express our heartfelt condolences for the passing of head coach Ato Tolentino. And of course, para sa kanyang anak na si Elvis Tolentino, alay namin ang aming lubos na pakikiramay sa inyong naulila. At itong basketball na ito ay magsisilbing inspirasyon hindi lang dito sa liga na ito kundi sa mga iba't ibang liga para pagbutihin namin ito. Let's turn it over to venue announcer for the starters.
Santa Rita CALOGURAN versus your San Simon.
Alright, in just a moment, we're going to bring you on the screens the starters for both squads, but we are about to start our 4th game of 6, Santa Rita versus San Simon. Santa Rita in white jersey, blue jerseys naman ang San Simon. San Simon is the town, just a toll gate of NLEX. First possession for Santa Ana. And the ball goes out of bounds, babalik ang bola para sa Santa Rita.
Fires.
They have 14 seconds on the shot clock. 15 seconds gone by sa ating first quarter.
40 seconds to shoot.
Masyado malakas ang 3-point shot. And the ball goes out of bounds. It will stay with Santa Rita.
9 seconds on the shot clock. 9 seconds to shoot.
Yun, you heard it right. 9 seconds on the shot clock, sabi ng ating venue announcer. Sapal. Great shot clock there. And now the blue shirts of San Simon setting up the table. Zilch O is the count. 35 seconds gone by sa ating first quarter. Down the baseline. 3-point shot on its way. Malakas. Fast break opportunity for Santa Rita. Gilias was fouled underneath.
Pushing foul on jersey number 21. That is your first team foul for Team San Simon. Shooting 2 for jersey number 12.
Gilias will shoot 2 free throws. Hindi pumasok ko kanyang una. One more free throw for him. And finally, their first point of the ball game for Santa Rita. 1-0. 45 seconds. Angeles. 10 to shoot for San Simon. 5 on the shot clock. Are they aware of the clock? They need to put it up. Here's the 3. Yeah! Beat the buzzer.
Jersey number 22.
It's a 3-ball converted by Garcia. Counted and foul on the other end. No. Sabi na referee. No basket. Foul muna before that.
On jersey number 8. That is your second team foul for Team San Simon.
So Ponsalan was called for the foul. It's already the second team foul for San Simon, and we have the foul on the other end.
Foul on jersey number 29, holding foul. That is your first team foul for Team.
And Santa Rita nakakuha ng foul on the other end. Just like on the last game, very low scoring tayo. Baseline. Reverse. Oh, this guy is special for San Simon. Angeles with a deuce. 5-1. Wala pa pong field goal ang Santa Rita. Oh, thank you. Buti natapik ko yung bola. (5-4) is their tally. Angeles from the baseline. Ponsalan. Finger roll didn't work. Put back. Hounded inside, and he will take 2 shots.
Foul on jersey number 29. That is your second personal foul. Second team foul for Santa Rita.
Both teams now have 2 team fouls apiece.
Shooting 2 for jersey number 34.
Simbulan makes the first para sa San Simon. And Simbulan makes both.
Substitution, jersey number 29 out. And jersey number 5, Delalusi.
Upo muna si number 29 who just got his second foul earlier. And so far, Caloguran Santa Rita, no field goals yet. And the blue shirts of San Simon pressuring the ball carrier. And they got a steal. And Ocampo has no choice but to give up a foul.
On jersey number 7, that is your first 13 foul for Santa Rita Caloguran.
Yamson. For the rest of San Simon, already have a 6-point lead. 15 to shoot. Great crossover. Drive to the basket. Just miss. Santa Rita on the fast break. Quick hands there. Manyalak, 3-ball. Failed. Angeles brings up the basketball. Simbolan with a zip pass inside the reverse. Good! What a shot by Ponsalan in under duress. That deserves a replay. Check it out. Zip pass by Simbolan, finding Ponsalan. He was fouled. Counted. Wow.
On a shot for Ponsalan.
And Ponsalan completes a 3-point play. And Santa Rita caught flat-footed in this first quarter. They need to talk things over. Back to live action here. Here's what happened earlier. 3-point bomb exploded there para sa San Simon with a jackrabbit start 10-1 baseline drive via reverse by Angeles. Kanina nakita nyo yung zip pass ni Simbolan. Patulong pa sa kanyang teammate for a 3-point play opportunity. Still 1 point for Santa Rita. Ako po ninilingkod Ryan para to win the call. And of course, inaalay namin itong game na to sa namayapang coach ng PCO Dolphins, the late Ato Tolentino, who just passed away at the age of 76. Samantala, layup. First field goal para sa Santa Rita. That's Ocampo's layup. De La Cruz couldn't cash in the layup on the other end after that steal. Cross-court pass. Thought about the 3. The lob pass. Inside for a delivered again.
And one way for jersey number 22.
This time around,
Foul on jersey number 22.
it's a 3-point play opportunity. Look at Garcia.
On a shot.
You know, his move is like Alvin Patrimonio. Ganun niya, you know, Alvin. And he completes a 3-point play. So, early penalty trouble for Santa Rita. Whereas San Simon has 2 team fouls. 6:16 left, 13-3. San Simon jumped the gun in this first quarter and they got the heist. Fast break works. They will finish it in a flurry. It's a flat first quarter so far for Santa Rita. They have been shell-shocked of this tremendous pressure being put up by San Simon. And finally, there's a foul given up by San Simon.
Blocking foul on jersey number 21. That is your second personal.
Yamson has 2 fouls and he needs to be replaced.
Substitution, jersey number 29.
No, the referees, the coach trusts him to play more.
40 seconds on the shot clock. 40 seconds to shoot.
Spread out offense for Santa Rita. A tight drive by Ocampo elicits a foul from Angeles. And now Santa Rita, or rather San Simon, has 14 fouls. Pumala si Yamson with 2 personal fouls. Approaching the halfway house of the first quarter. 5 minutes and 43. 15-3. Baseline, Ocampo. Too strong. And there's a foul to boot against San Simon. Donko was the culprit, and that's going to be penalty situation. In effect, it will be 2 free throws for the offended party. So, 2 free throws ang i-award first is good. Fourth point for Caluguran Santa Rita. Of course, yung mga naging teammates ni mga na coach ni Coach Ato, ang dami. Si Ritada, si Belga, si Castro, si Espinas, Rob Sanz, Ian Garrido. They're all mourning to the loss of their head coach, Ato Tolentino. Back to live action. So this is like the changing of generation of basketball from then to now. 10 to shoot now. Punsalan, baseline drive. Okay, the referee says traveling. (15 to 4). 5 and 10 remaining in the first quarter. Upo muna si Angeles. Productive first quarter. Salihan checks in for the very first time para sa San Simon. Spread out offense for Santa Rita. They're trailing by 9. Banging bodies there. Baseline. Nasarahan ng pintuan. Muntik na maagawan. And the referee says it's going to be blue ball of San Simon. Brave defensive stance there by Garcia. You know, the size of Dunco as a 16 and 17-year-old reminds me of the current Justin Batlasar, who's currently playing in Pampanga under Governor Coach Dennis Delta Pineda. Come on, laki-laki, oh. But he can dribble. Look at this. He breaks the press very swiftly. Dunco drives out to the hole. That's a great passing play. We can sense that Justin Baltasar Jr. for Dunco, 17 to 4. San Simon up by 13 points. Ocampo banks it out. Too much muscle behind it. Simbulan brings out the letter para sa San Simon. Balik kay Dunco. Justin Jr. Again, ang gandang pasa na naman. Second straight assist by Dunco. I'm now beginning to like this guy. 19 to 4. Or beginning to like this kid, rather. 4 minutes remaining in the first quarter. 5 on the shot clock. Nice escape act by Ocampo. 19 to 6. Both teams in team foul trouble. Dunco again, double team. From the baseline, Simbulan, the side step, the drop. Free throw shot works that time by Punsalan. San Simon shooting pretty well from the field. And likewise Santa Rita beginning to regain its touch. Gilias joined the fray. Both teams shooting are pretty good, about 50%. Clemente with a heist. Drives hard, lays it up and in. Bernarte rather. Sorry, that's Bernarte. I don't know, is related to our former PBA referee, OG Bernarte. Oh, look at this pass. Almost made a basket there for San Simon. Out of fast break for Santa Rita, 3-on-2 situation. Ocampo couldn't deliver. And now San Simon's turn. That pass slightly telegraphed.
Substitution. Jersey number 30 out. And Pasquale, jersey number 7 out.
And both teams now shuffling their men. Maintaining fresh legs and fresh lungs. Dimla. Down the game for San Simon.
19 seconds on the shot clock. 19 seconds to shoot.
19 on the shot clock. Dunco, bounce pass. Nabitawan. Bola babalik sa Santa Rita with 2 minutes and 41 remaining. 11-point deficit staring on Santa Rita straight in their face. Spread out offense. They're looking for best possible shot. Here it comes. Long Tom does not work. They still get the ball back. Long arms by this guy, pero bitin na kanyang layup. That's still a cruise. And here's Dunco once more. Engineering the fast break. Almost finishing it. Kind of fast break for Santa Rita. 1 against 2. Nice up pick. He baits a foul from Pascual.
Foul on jersey number 9.
So slowly but surely, Santa Rita beginning to gain ground after a sluggish start.
Substitution.
Again, mga kabalin, maya padat panapon. Kat panapon rather, kay kayo.
Jersey number 12.
Papatuloy po ng ating coverage ng ating Delta Cup Day 2 of competition. Reviewin lang natin ang mga scores on the first 3 games. Sa ating first game kanina, nanalo ang Santa Ana laban sa Masantol 76-69. The second game, nanalo Mexico laban sa Apalit 85-81. At sa katatapos na game, a 1-point win from Minalin against Candaba 65-64. Free throw is good. It's a split. 21-11. Approaching the 2-minute mark sa ating first quarter. Zip pass again. Up fake. Nabitawan ang bola.
Turnover. Santa Rita, CALOGURAN STA.
Tignan natin kung makakabalik dito ang Santa Rita. They have a defensive stop. Lusong now has it for the White Shirts. Lusong bone crunching pick there by De La Cruz, and he was caught by the ref with that offensive foul.
Offensive foul on jersey number 5.
That's his first personal. A minute and 49 in the balance sa ating first quarter. This is game 4 of 6. So lampas na tayong kalahati sa ating 6-game coverage ng ating Delta Cup. Ongoing na rin ngayon sa Sinagliga Asia ang Lakas 40 sa San Andres. In the meantime, an inside forward by Tinla. A minute and a half remaining sa ating first. 15 to shoot para sa Santa Rita. Shot clock down to 10. Pick provided by De La Cruz. Here's the driving layup. De La Cruz couldn't get a piece of that ball to a possible stick back. And that man goes out of bounds. Literally. After that attempt. 1:13 remaining. Nagpe-pressure slightly in Santa Rita. San Simon breaks the press on the 8-second line, but that particular inside incursion is rejected. Babalik ang bola sa Santa Rita. A minute remaining sa ating first quarter. Idle play. Pick and roll. Did not materialize. He goes right. Bernate. Keep an eye close. It's Pascual. Whoa! 3-point bomb explosion by Pineda. 23-14. Well, Pineda, palagi ko kamag-anak to ni Governor Delta. Kasi kung yung playing make niya talagang very intense, no? I will find out. In the meantime, we have a foul away from the play. Laban sa San Simon. First foul on number 30. And 2 free throws for the offended party. 35.2 ticks remaining. Rattles in on the first free throw. One more free throw para sa Santa Rita. It is split. Donko brings it downtown for the Blue Shirts. Donko zip a pass on the left flank. 3-point shot on its way. It's a big 3-ball by Malonza. Gives San Simon an 11-point cushion. Final 16 seconds. Too strong on that layup. Another fast break finish. Put back. Just in time for Team Love. Game clock set 5 seconds. Last shot time for Santa Rita. Before we end this quarter, 3-point shot on its way. It bounces out. That should do it. First quarter is history. 28-15. It is a dominating first quarter for San Simon laban sa Santa Rita. And we shall show you some highlights of this first quarter. But first, you're still watching Delta Cup 2023. about to start the second quarter. All right, before we start the second quarter, let's take a look at the highlights of this superb first quarter for San Simon. A very fast break finish there by Santa Rita, courtesy of Bernante. And here's the finish by Pascual. Not actually finished, but a great tip in there by Dimla. And the closing seconds of the first quarter, that's one of the highlights of the first quarter. As we move on to the second quarter action, you're still watching the Delta Cup 2023. Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament is presented to you by no less than Pampanga Governor Dennis Delta Pineda at the Provincial Government of Pampanga. We're live on our Facebook pages, Pampanga Informational Office and also Sinag Liga Asya. My name is Ryan Para. We'll come to you live from the BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Laman na lamang po ang naka-asul na San Simon by a big margin, but there will be a foul on the backcourt.
Pushing foul on jersey number 21.
Buwan with his first personal.
That is your first team down.
Pascual inbound for the Blue Shirts. Five by the shot clock. Here's the three ball, short. Fresh 14 now for the Blue Shirts. Dunko drops it up. And they missed that point blank range. How he did miss that shot, but he will get a consolation prize after he was fouled underneath.
Foul on jersey number 23. That is your second team foul.
Two more free throws for the defending party. Big black. Nakita mo sa mga katawan ng San Simon, no? They're very, very muscular physique. Talagang nagpalakasin ng katawan. And that's why it's expected that San Simon has a more than lion's share rebounding. Let's split for Dimla. 14-point edge for San Simon. 9:20 remaining, second quarter. Santa Rita needs to come up with a better strategy. That's a better basket. The lead is back to 12 for San Simon. A minute gone by in the second quarter. Malonzo, binalik kay Dunko sa kaliwang bahagi ng court. 9 seconds na lamang sa shot clock. Dunko with a bounce pass. Brilliant play. Another assist from Dunko. That's 3 already in the first half. And on the other end, instant foul given up by Malonzo. And that's the first team foul for San Simon.
That is their second personal foul. First team foul for Team San Simon.
And Malonzo's second personal.
16 seconds machine.
Baseline. Out of bounds.
Same ball.
Bola pa rin ng Santa Rita. They have their 13 seconds on the shot clock. Alright, here's the inbound. Looking for a cutter. Bad pass there by Banag. Don't go again. He can dribble left, he can dribble right. Look at this. Banag misses the left-handed layup. And the White Shirts has it, and there's going to be a blocking foul against Dimla. His first personal.
Substitution, jersey number 28 out. And jersey number 6 to come foul win.
8:21 remaining. Ito, nagbabalasan na ang San Simon to make their lineup formidable. Fresh legs, fresh lungs for the Blue Shirts. 8:18 remaining in the second quarter. Sticky defense being put up by San Simon. The referees now calling it tight. Malonzo is the guilty party. And early on, San Simon's Malonzo already has 3 personal fouls. Upo muna si Donko. Well-deserved rest for him. We'll get back in after 3 to 4 minutes. In the meantime, step back 3 if it bites. He didn't get it. Lead is 14 for San Simon. Here's the lob. Too tight. Nilabas muna. Dribble running shot. No soak. Still get the ball. Simbulan. Good hustle. Swinging around. 3-point shot. Malonzo. Patay ang butiki. 10 on the shot clock. 3-point shot on its way. A failure. 5th offensive rebound by San Simon. That is their specialty in the house. 5 to shoot. 7:25 in the second quarter. They need to put it up at them. Backdoor cut didn't materialize. Nakagaw dito ang Santa Rita. Malayon 3. Whoa! Pumasok. Second in a row for Pineda. And timely timeout now for San Simon as we see it is 25-foot shot all net for Pineda. The score 31-20 San Simon. All right, we would like to acknowledge our distinguished guests. Of course, we have here the municipal mayor of Santo Tomas, Mayor John Sambo, and of course from San Matias, Vice Mayor Bong Pineda. Hello mga sirs, welcome po sa panonood ninyo dito sa Delta Cup sa pagsuporta ng inyong mga kababayan, mga kabalin. (31 to 20). (7 and 12 remaining sa ating second quarter. San Simon so far dominating this game right from the get-go. The biggest lead that they got is 12 points. That time, a rare miscue by San Simon. They just turned the ball over from the backcourt, and they have offended party. The Santa Rita CALOGURAN has 14 seconds to shoot.
14 seconds on the shot clock. 14 seconds to shoot.
Well, the coaching staff of San Simon wasted no time introducing back Dongo in the lineup. Is that counted? No basket.
Foul on verse number 12. Here's number 12, that is your first.
Rivero was called for the foul, his first. (14 fouls for San Simon. Manyala rims out on his 3-point attempt. And easily that ball goes out of bounds. Babalik ang bola sa San Simon. They have an 11-point lead, 31 to 20. .47 remaining sa ating second quarter. Spread out offense by the blue shirts. Cross-court pass. Here's a 3-point shot. White shirts had a chance to trim down this lead. Here it comes. Nice sidestep. (31 to 22). Second straight turnover. 3-point shot. He got it. Malag drills it. The lead is down to 6. And a turnover there by San Simon. Counter steal by Dunko. Spins, turns, and was fouled by Banag.
Substitution, there's the substitution.
He's got it.
And that's a 3-point bomb exploded. Kitang-kita, malinis na malinis. Walang nagbantay. Lista mo na.
Shooting two for jersey number 19.
Alright, Dunko will try to redeem himself. Okay. O, manin po, kung hindi nakuha ng camera, pero shoot yun. Shoot yung unang free throw. One more free throw for Dunko. Split. 32-25. 5:40 left in the second quarter. Fall-away shot. Short. No rebounders that time for Santa Rita. Oh, great passing. Donko again being the decoy. Donko is all over the court so far. 34-25. Halfway point in the second quarter. And this time a smattering block by Garcia.
Number 22 out for G-Quanin.
Here's the inbound.
40 seconds on the
This
shot.
time. Here's the three. That's nothing but air. (34-25). 4:57 left before both teams go to the locker room at halftime. Instant foul given up by De Dios. That's already the 14th foul on Santa Rita.
Number 28 out, and Galua number 38.
34-25 now. 4:48 remaining in the second quarter. Dunko on the left wing. Angeles. Punsalan. Nice cut. Two dribbles. Counted.
And we'll play for jersey number 22. Jersey number
Take a look at this again.
Punsalan.
Nice fake. Goes left. Seal in. Counted in one. Simple basketball for San Simon. However, he missed the three-point play opportunity. Three's back to 11. The cut. And the conversion.
Jersey number 29.
27-36. Back-to-back steals. Here's a three-point shot.
Foul on jersey number 21.
It's a foul now.
That is your third personal foul.
And Buwan now is in foul trouble for Santa Rita. He has collected 3 fouls. And free throw time para sa San Simon. Oh, that's rare. Punsalan airballs the free throw. How about that? He will make the necessary adjustments, but not quite. Still tad short. The lead is 9 for Santa Rita. Turnover. Here's Angeles, top of the key three. Couldn't drill it. Nice save, but to the wrong party. Angeles. settle down offense now for San Simon. Courtesy of Dungo. Ala Justin Baltasar Jr. Here it comes. Shovel pass. Easily taken away. On the defensive stance. Balura with a fadeaway. Nope. Punsalan takes care of business. Dungo now. Galloping down court. Jump shot.
Santa Rita CALOGURAN basketball.
36-27. 3 minutes remaining before we call it a halftime break. Santa Rita, it's just a single digit deficit. It's manageable. Here's a ballering drive. Spins, turns. Galura fails. Save it to the right party. Simbolan. Too fast for his own good. Lost the letter.
Time out! San Simon. Official score.
All right, 36-27. San Simon up by 9. Alright, earlier you saw some of the highlights. And Sunday's Family Day. Whether you have sisters, whether you have sons and daughters. Namimiss ko tuloy yung nanay tatay ko. Love you dad, love you mom. 36-27, 2.5 minutes remaining second quarter. Continuing coverage of Delta Cup here in San Fernando, Pampanga. Yours truly, Ryan Pajaro, doing the call. Santa Rita on a 9-point deficit. Galura on the right wing. Then to shoot. Kick out to Galura. 25-foot shot. Airballs the basketball. Angeles and the rest of San Simon protecting a 9-point lead. Some pressure from the half court. They easily get past the 8-second line. We're approaching the 2-minute mark in the second quarter. Less dribble. Break. More fluidity offense. Simbolan takes care of business. Di mo ma-appreciate yung San Simon na walang masyadong dribble. Huh? 30-27. A minute and 45 remaining sa ating second quarter. 10 to shoot. The finger wall didn't work. Rebound. Nakakuha pa rin ng Santa Rita. Oh. Manyalak scores the basket. In the meantime, out of bounds play. Alright, meron po tayong timeout. Santa Rita down by 9. 29-38. A minute and 22 remaining in the second quarter. So far, they have never relinquished that lead. As far as San Simon is concerned, it is now 38-29. Santa Rita looking for a better offensive thrust. Finds Gilas from the baseline. Ayaw. Angeles engineering the fast break for San Simon. Pinasa pa niya. He should have taken that shot and he apologizes to his teammates. Luckily for San Simon, it stays. No. It's going to be Santa Rita basketball. 1 minute remaining before we go to a halftime break. Exact time is 53 seconds. 3-point shot converted. Manyala. 44 seconds remaining. Dungo. Touch last by Manyala. 41 seconds remaining in second quarter. Here's the inbound. Clock reads at 39.2 seconds. 35 ticks. Nice backdoor cut. Hang time move. Beautiful. Another highlight by Angeles. Long three. If it bites, it doesn't. Dunko clears the board. Another fast break opportunity for San Simon. Dunko with a sidestep beauty. And now San Simon beginning to run berserk late in the second quarter. Final 6 seconds. Pump fake. The release is anemic for Campo. Final 2 seconds. Last shot time. Not enough. That will not count because the buzzer already sounded. That will not count. And the referees waited off. And first half draws to a close. 42 for San Simon and 32 for Santa Rita. More highlights and sidelights when the Delta Cup 2023 continues after this halftime break. Okay, nandito po tayo sa ating halftime break as we bring you the highlights of this first half, especially this San Simon first half onslaught. Sinimula yan ng Dimla. And for Santa Rita, good side step move there by number 21. After 3-point shot. A rare 3-point shot there by Santa Rita after a shaky start. 25-foot shot. Yun, swak na swak para sa Santa Rita. Pero yung San Simon, look at this. Angeles with some acrobatics. Ito si Dungko. Pwede natin sabihin yan yung Junior Justin Baltazar. Not only with his playmaking but also those 4 assists. Alright, San Simon, or rather Caluguran Santa Rita. Pineda with 8 points. Manyalak 5. Ocampo 4. San Simon, leading scorer is Garcia with 8. Punsalan with 9. And Simbulan with 6. Actually, ang honorable mention pa yung Dungko with 4 assists in the first half. Those are the leading scores for both squads. And we're just moments away for our second half. We will return for the third quarter action. Okay, we're just moments away to start this third quarter action. And again, you're still watching the Delta Cup Pampanga Municipalities-Cities Intertown Basketball Tournament presented to you by Governor Dennis Delta Pineda and the Provincial Government of Pampanga. You may watch live on our official Facebook page of the Pampanga Public Information Office and also the Facebook page of Sinagliga Asha. Speaking of beautiful Kabalin women, ayan, medyo mahihayin si Madam. Smile you on camera. At mahinhin na mahihayin si Madam sa camera. As we start this third quarter action, so far, Punsalan has been the hottest scorer for San Simon with 9 points. And they begin with a 10-point lead. At katulad ng first possession is sa first quarter, turnover agad. Manyalak and the rest of Santa Rita trying to find answers to the questions how they can overhaul this 10-point deficit. That will not help with the miss. Ang pasa na Antala. It will stay with San Simon. They have 18 on the shot clock for San Simon to manufacture play. Some backdoor cuts. Yamson, who has 2 early fouls. He want to redeem himself. Oh, good love pass inside the paint. Simbulan. Naku, hindi pumasok kanyang tira. Could be a good one. 3-point shot. It's good for Angeles. And he has 11 points. Now the top scorer for San Simon. 14 to shoot now for Santa Rita. Sagot agad. That's Mag Kapinlak who scored that birdie. It's a 10-point lead again. From the baseline, Garcia delivers. He has 8 points. 47-35. Instant foul. Give it up by Simbulan. Angeles Punsalan, Garcia, Simbulan, all those 4 players are productive as far as San Simon offensive thrust are concerned. By the way, that's the very first foul of Simbulan in this ball game. 10 on the shot clock for the White Shirts. From the baseline. Great defensive stand by Simbulan. Only 2 to shoot for the White Shirts. Ball is taken away. It's lob and it's a shot clock violation. So that means it's going to be an inbound by San Simon. Is that in the backcourt? No, it's going to be a front court. It's going to be a 14-second shot. And there, sabi ng referee backcourt daw. Okay. .13 left. The third period, Garcia. Very spread out offense by San Simon. Fall away. Simbulan. You want to pass it to Yamson, but he was called for traveling. Manialac and the rest of Santa Rita, they are on a 12-point handicap. 35 to 47. 10 to shoot now for the White Shirts. Ito na, 3-point shot, Manialac. Whoa! Swak na swak. Pangalawang tres na yan for Santa Rita. And now the lead, which once stood at 12, now chops down to 9 points. Look at Garcia. Hindi na binaba ang bola. Tremendous stick back by Garcia. And he has 10 points. He's a workhorse. 49-38. 7:17 left. Manialac slightly lost his touch from 3-point region. Baseline drive. Thwarted. Inside incursion. Nullified because there's a foul against Santa Rita. It will be against Gilias. No. It's Lusong. Thwarted. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Ayun, may tulak. It's just a slight nudge, ano? Kita pa rin ng referee. Oh, look at that. Hang time pass. But the ball goes out of bounds already. Babalik ang bola sa Santa Rita. Santa Rita is nearby Guagua in Pampanga. Para sa ating mga kabalan information there. 13 to shoot. Bone crunching break. It is a steal for the Blue Shirts. Yes. Angeles momentarily open. Launches a 3 from the right side of the court. Long. And Santa Rita now has the letter. Fast break incursion. Telegraph. Not a fast break. And here's the sidestep to Dimla. Great find by Simbulan. Basketball makes so easy for San Simon. Lead is back to a Baker's dozen. 51-38. Again, anticipated pass. And Angeles with a finish. So, Simbulan and Angeles ganging up on those defensive stops. 5-point swing. Timeout called by Santa Rita. All right, right into the timeout of Santa Rita, we see the highlights at the start of this third quarter. Some of them are 3-point shots. At nagbabalik po tayo dito sa BREN GUIAO Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga for the continuing coverage of your Delta Cup 2023. Yours truly, Wire Paro doing the call. And currently, naglalaro na po ang mga teams sa Sinagliga Asia. And also, for tomorrow, I'll be also doing the commentaries for the ISAA, Interscholastic Athletic Association. It will be held tomorrow at Treston College in Bonifacio Global City, Taguig. The games will be as follows. First game, Treston versus World City College. Second game, SDCA versus ICC. Third game, Aliac versus Treston Juniors. Fourth game, Aliac versus PWU. And fifth game, University of Asia and Pacific versus ICCT. Abangan niyo po yan bukas 53-38. Commanding lead right now for San Simon. With 9 on the shot clock, the drop pass inside the baseline. Oh, gumulong ang bola.
Jersey number 20.
De Dios with the bucket. 53-40. The white shirts are pressing the ball carrier. However, there's a foul given up by the white shirts of Santa Rita. And it's going to be against De Dios. Second personal.
Jersey number 25 out. And jersey number 8, FERNANDO.
Manyalak checks in para sa Santa Rita.
14 seconds on the shot clock.
That is will inbound right now for the San Simoners. Samson with a pump fake. Nice gliding drive to the basket by Samson. Oh, the ball just rim out. Kala ko papasok pero lumabas. 53-40. Time down to 5 minutes and 15 sa ating third chapter. Here's the drop. The reverse. Wala. And there's going to be a foul spotted by the refs.
Foul on jersey number 29.
At ang tinawagan ng foul ay si number 29. Pangatlo na yan. Let's see that again in slow-mo. Here's the, yun, may nudge, may tulak sa ilalim.
Jersey number 29 out. And jersey number
There's going to be
7.
a foul spotted by the ref. Galulo checks back in for Santa Rita. The lead is 13. Halfway point in the third quarter. Garcia swinging around to his teammate. Corner 3. Didn't prevail. Kuha pa rin nila ang bola. Simbulan drops it off. Nice up fake. Look at that shot by Angeles. Acrobatic at all. Great body English by Angeles. Take a look at this. From the pass, he knew there will be a player up high on it, and Angeles flexing his muscles. Well, it's hard for me to decide if should San Simon win this game. I have 3 choices to choose from the best player honors: Angeles, Pusanan, Garcia. And also honorable mention to Simbulan and likewise Dunco. But so far, Angeles, he already has 14 points. 3-point bomb exploded for Santa Rita by Galura. That's the only thing that Santa Rita needs to improve their 3-point shooting, especially at the juncture of the game. And Ocampo yanked that ball away from Garcia. Fast break in the works. 3-1 situation. Referee blew the whistle. It's going to be a foul on Garcia. First personal.
Substitution Youngson out. Foul on jersey number 22. That is your
Second personal foul on Garcia. Oh, first foul. Okay. The venue announcer pointed himself. He blew the whistle. Fresh shot clock right now for Santa Rita. Step pass. Easily telegraphed. Fast break. Simbulan says goodbye.
jersey number 24.
More fast break points because of those points of turnovers. That has been the story for San Simon. That's why they propelled to this 15-point outburst. 3:49 remaining sa ating third chapter. The hook shot, it's good. Para kay Galura. Back-to-back baskets for Galura. He has a 5-point cluster. The lead is back to 13. He almost got a turnover. Yes, Debros with a heist. Galura, here it comes. Will fly to the left-handed layup, and now he has 7 points to his name. All in the third quarter. Galura, 7-point cluster. Lead is down to 11. Santa Rita keeps on pressing, and Rivera all day to shoot from 3-point distance. It's a air ball, but look at Ponsalan. Unmolested inside the pen. He was fouled and won.
Foul on jersey number
Bernate was the guilty party.
That is your first.
Only the first foul on Bernate.
On a shot.
Second team foul for San Simon. Alright, Ponsalan completes the 3-point play opportunity. The lead is 14 right now for San Simon, 61-47. Approaching the 3-minute mark sa ating third chapter. Ito na ang Santa Rita. 12 to shoot. Bernate, hindi makakuha ng bola. Great defensive stance there by Garcia. And that particular ball went out to the floor director. Thank you, Direk, sa pagkuha ng bola.
Substitution jersey number 34 out. And David King number
Turnover there by Santa Rita. Well-deserved rest there by Simbulan. He's been the work for his Angeles inbounding for the Blue Shirts. At ito na, signaling the plays, Rivero. Punsalan on the box. Drives to his left. Here's a three-point shot on the left quarter court. Short. Rebound control by Santa Rita. Fast break opportunity. And here it comes. The layup by Ocampo. Lead is down to 12. 61-49. Just trading baskets. Foul. Give it up from the backcourt. Galura.
Foul, jersey number 13. That is your second personal foul. Penalty.
And just trading baskets. Kanina po sa penalty ang foul. Give it up from the backcourt. As we see that in our slow-mo replay. Two more free throws for Rivero. 62-49. Split. And look at the offensive rebounding, but Buwan takes away that basketball. Almost an errant pass. You know, San Simon as a team is very disciplined to sprint back
17 seconds on the shot clock.
on the other end of the court just to make sure that no easy fast break finishes for Santa Rita at this juncture of the game. But so far they've been successful in three-point shooting and they did not exploit it. They found a niche inside and it's going to be a foul against
Pushing foul on jersey number 12. That is your second personal foul.
Rivero. Only the 13th foul of San Simon. Galura still finding its rhythm. It's a free throw line. The lead is 13, 62-49. 2:22 left. Third canto. Split.
Substitution. 21 out. Bringing down and number 1 is Colon and Pinelli.
Two players checking in for Santa Rita. So patuloy ang balasa ni Coach. Di pa siya nakakahanap ng tamang kombinasyon. They almost get that ball. Oh, whoops, a pass. Ponsalan once again. Look at this. All five players of San Simon playing beautiful harmonic music together. And we're now on the 2-minute mark of the third quarter. Pinabayaran na ang layup. Easily get away by Galura. Reed is back to 12, 64-52. That time the pass is too tight. Kabigting couldn't handle that basketball. .147 left in the third quarter, 64-52. Penalty na po ang Santa Rita. 3-team fouls pa lamang ang San Simon. 40 to shoot. Drop pass. Bernate shoot. And here it comes. Another fast break opportunity for San Simon. And there's going to be a foul on Bernate. Good call by the refs. Blocking the path of Rivero that time. And Rivero will take two shots as a result of the penalty situation for Santa Rita.
Substitution Angeles out and Pascual in. Shooting 2 for jersey number 12.
Great third quarter for Angeles and he deserved that rest. Rivero. His first miss after 5 attempts in the free throw line. Splits. 65-52, a minute and 27. Third chapter. Cruise control so far for San Simon. No panic button yet. And that layup takes the cake out of Santa Rita. Another fast break opportunity. Pascual. Two fast boys on good. He finds Kabigting. What a play. Great presence of mind by Rivero. 67-52. Exactly 1 minute left sa ating third quarter. So far, San Simon, dominadong laro. Ayan ang foul. Given up by Rivero.
Foul on jersey number 12. That is your third personal foul.
Pangatlong foul pa lamang yan ni Rivero. Time down to 55.56 sa ating third chapter.
40 seconds to shoot.
Ocampo receives the pass. 9 to shoot. Para sa nakaputi. Santa Rita. Pineda makes his move. Pineda has been prolific for 3-point region. Now it's gun shy. 1 second on the shot clock. Ocampo beats the shot clock buzzer. (67-54). The lead is 13 for San Simon. Punsalan once again. His barrel drive to the basket. Slap away by Santa Rita defenders. 30 seconds na lamang sa shot clock ng San Simon. Looking for cutters. Spread out. And here's Rivero. He will melt some clock. 8 seconds on the shot clock. The cut on the outside. Here's the drive. The layup. Too strong. Good intention there by Pascual. Half a minute remaining. Got a fast break. Here's Pineda. Oh, using the layup. And using the glass as well. The lead is down to 11. Last shot time for San Simon. Final 19 seconds. The shot clock is off. Wise thing to do for Pascual is to chew up the clock. They have the last say. They can write the last sentence of the third chapter. Salian is open. He fires a 3-point shot. Not close. Rebound still there. Put back in vain. And that should do it. Third quarter is history. San Simon 67. Santa Rita 56. And we have one more quarter to play to determine if San Simon can sustain and cruise this into victory. Magbabalik po ang inyong Delta Cup dito sa San Fernando City, Pampanga. Alright, we're just moments away for the start of fourth quarter action. Dito po sa BREN Convention Center in San Fernando City, Pampanga. Maya panapon, mga kabalin. Ako po ng lingkod, Ryan para po lamang dito po sa Delta Cup. Match at hand, it's San Simon versus Santa Rita. Nice incursion inside by Pineda. They chop down into a single digit. 58-67. Dungo just check in. No look away pass. Great rejection there by Pineda that caused a player for San Simon to call for traveling. .925 in the fourth quarter. Inside pass, alley-oop play. Could have been a momentum going, pero he steps on the line. That's a turnover. Babalik ang bola sa San Simon. So no need to relax for San Simon. I can sense a mighty comeback forthcoming for Santa Rita Caliguran. Donko, the hang time move. Could have brought the house down. Put back inside the paint. Prevailed by Simbulan. You know, these guys of San Simon, they're big and they are also athletic. That's scary for a team, huh? Then on the shot clock. Nice up fake. The release. Anemic. And once again, another fast break opportunity. And here's Garcia, skying high for the layup. Release back to 13, 71-58, 8.5 remaining in the fourth and final quarter. Here's a barreling drive. And Garcia will be called for the foul.
Jersey number 32. That is your second personal foul. Substitution jersey number 7 out and one number 90.
Second foul on Garcia. Take a look at this in instant replay. Sneak in. And a foul. And Bernardo Garcia will be called for the foul. Oh, the hang time move. Ooh. Could have brought the house down. Cushion play earlier. You see the Simbulans stick back. And Bernardo makes one free throw. Lead is back to 11. Dunko, thought about the three. Goes left. Is that counted? Yes, sir. Referee counts the basket. That deserves a highlight. Again, Dunko. On a Justin Baltazar Jr. showing his aerial acrobatics somewhat. And he completes a three-point play. You know, it's very hard to choose who's going to be the best player of the ballgame because these players that I will mention, Angeles, Punsalan, Dunko, Garcia, and Simbulan, they're all playing prolific tonight or this afternoon. 74-60. Time down to 7 minutes and 51. Only for the shot clock. Ball goes to the left. A desperation measure on the part of Santa Rita now, having a 14-point deficit. And that's how lethal and how extraordinary is San Simon. Kick out, Dunko, three-pointer. Nope. No look pass. Garcia once again. And he makes them pay on those loose change. Lead is back to 16 for San Simon. 76-60. 7:18 left in the fourth quarter. The hang time moved. That time didn't drop. On the outside, corner three. Book it. That's Manyalak. 76-63. 3 minutes gone by in this ball game on this fourth quarter. Four-corner offense now for the blue shirts. Dunko lobs it. Here's the three. And Santa Rita has the ball. 12 to shoot now. Shot clock down to 7. Screen wall play. Didn't materialize. Here's the jump shot. Short. No inside movement actually. Oh, drop pass. No look. Dunko from the corner. Thought about the three. Zip pass again. That time rejected. Here's the offensive rebound. Ball knocked loose. And now Santa Rita's chance to trim down the deficit, but they lost the ball again. Dunko, look away pass. Easily. No easy basket, says Santa Rita. You need to earn it on the line instead. Take a look at this replay on how efficient and how the chemistry worked big time for the blue shirts.
No easy basket.
Garcia will shoot 2 free throws. 5:53 left. Sinks the first. Makes both. 78-63. Slowly but surely, San Simon threatening to pull away in this ball game. 13 on the shot clock for the white shirts. 3-point shot from 25. Didn't get it. Fresh serving for the white shirts. Taken away. And here comes Angeles. Drops it up. Put back here. Dimlo. What's called for? Traveling. Oh, no. It's a foul. I thought it was traveling, but it's a foul on Dimla. Second foul on Dimla. Timely timeout by San Simon to settle down. They have a 15-point edge, 78-63, 5:24 left. All right, back to live action here in San Fernando City, Pampanga. So far, San Simon closing off with a team 15-point edge. 78-63. They continue to pressure the ball carrier as another missed shot by Santa Rita, but there's going to be a foul underneath. Probably against number 9, Guam Lao. Oh, it's Galura. Will be called for his third personal foul. They're swinging the ball around from right to left. Halfway point down the final quarter. 4 minutes and 55. Here's the lob. Triple team. No problem for Garcia. 80-63. A free throw basket by number 9. That's Guam Lao. Lead is back to 50. 4.5 minutes. The Blue Shirts continue to this drive. They will win this ball game convincingly. Here's Dunko. 8 to shoot. Dunko wants an isolation. Now offers a pick and roll. Bounce pass. Great pass. Again, Dunko creating havoc, wreaking havoc against this Santa Rita defense.
Now offers a pick and roll. Bounce pass. Great pass. Again.
Look at Dunko.
Dunko creating.
Threading the needle to that pass, huh?
Substitution jersey number 31 out.
Free throw made. And Dimla, probably that's it for him. He played a good defensive game as far as San Simon is concerned. Here's the spin. He lost it. No basket. And it's going to be a traveling. (81-65). 4 minutes remaining. The lead slowly ballooned to 16 big points. The highest they got is 17. 3-point shot. He didn't get it. Offensive rebound. Outside sniping. Does not fall into place though, but it rimmed out. 3:49 remaining. Almost a heist. Mad scramble. The Blue Shirts has it. And Dunko says, let me finish this with a piece of cake. And the lead is now 18 points for San Simon. We have a timeout. Now offers a pick and roll. Bounce pass. Great pass. Again, Dunko creating havoc. Earlier in the week, you see the highlights of the fourth quarter action. And San Simon never relinquished that lead, starting late in the first quarter up until now. They continue their sheer dominance offensively and defensively. And that three-point shot will not help the cause of Santa Rita as they're beginning to miss in crucial stages of this game.
Holding foul on jersey number 18. That is your second personal foul.
Punsalan was called for that foul, his second. 13 foul for San Simon. 3:19 left in this ball game. 3 on the shot clock. Here's the 3 ball. White shirt still has it with fresh 14. Ocampo attempts. Rimmed out. Nerve-shattering shot block by the little guy. The bounce pass. Backdoor cut. Great finish by Angeles. 20-point lead for San Simon. And that's been the story. They've been outplayed, out-hustled, and out-coached. And Santa Rita will reflect this game as a big learning experience on how to improve better. And that is a three-point shot made by Ocampo from the left corner court. It's a consolation prize for the effort of Santa Rita Caluguran. Inside play. He stops it. He stops it. Garcia. How about that? 87-68. Hang time move didn't drop. Last touch by Dunco. Fresh 14 for Santa Rita. All right. Santa Rita Caluguran might as well use their last timeout. With 2 minutes and 11 seconds remaining, and with an imposing 19-point lead for San Simon, we can safely say the words uttered by the Lake Chick Hearn of the Los Angeles Lakers. This game for San Simon, as I receive the ball, this game for San Simon is in the refrigerator. The door is closed, the eggs are cooling, the butter is getting hard, and the jello's jiggling. And we're about to enter the twilight zone, ladies and gentlemen, here in San Fernando City. Last 2 minutes now for this game between San Simon and Santa Rita Caluguran. It's a shot clock violation. A minute and 47 remaining. I might as well choose 2 best players of the ball game because of their valiant effort all game long. 3-point shot. All right, San Simon utilizes a timeout with a minute and 33. And we'll hang on to the air. Let me announce to you the games that are remaining, the last 2 games that are remaining on our game day here at the BREN GUIAO Convention Center. Next game after this is going to be Abe King Panyulong Florida Blanca versus United Tomasian Bowlers. And our main game for today is going to be Level Up Lubao versus Bayong Porac. So we're down to the last two games as we about to wind up this fourth game of our 6-game affair. Again, my name is Ryan Paro doing the call for the 6 games dito po sa Delta Cup 2023 presented by Governor Dennis Tetla Pineda, Provincial Government of Pampanga. Live tayo sa Facebook at the Pampanga Informational Office. Look at that time move. Di na pumasok. And you can like, share our Facebook page of Sinag Liga Asia. 3-point bomb, no explosion, and that's been defused. Way back at the start of the fourth quarter. The game is already settled. Basket counts for Gilas as a consolation prize.
Foul on jersey number 10.
New player for San Simon. That's Vergara.
Jersey number 12.
Score for the first personal foul. 3-point play, no completion. They still get a ball back, but it yanked it away. Counter steal. It's going to be a foul given up by Olivero. That's his fourth personal. An abundantly situation in effect for both teams. The score is 70-87. Just a minute remaining in this basketball game. Gilas will shoot 2 from the foul line. But for them to win on the next game, he needs to take a lead of this team. And those 2 misses from the free throw line will not help the cause. Or the performance of Santa Rita tonight as they wind up with 0-1 and San Simon with a 1-0 record. White shirts continue to press. Easily break the press. Kiambao delivers the layup. 89-70. And a high stick it away. However, almost a turnover. Vergara saves it. 3-point shot from the corner. Nope. Gilas. Manyalak. Puts it in. 25 seconds remaining in this ball game. 17-point impending win for San Simon. Vergara looking for his first basket. Kick out. 8 on the shot clock. And Rivera says that's enough. All right, ladies and gentlemen, the final score, 89 points for San Simon and 72 points for Santa Rita. Overall performance for these 4 or 5 guys. And yours truly will interview 2 of them, actually, for their sterling performance since late in the first quarter, and they never look back. So stay tuned for the interview of our best players of the ballgame. Again, final score 89-72. San Simon won convincingly over Santa Rita.
79-72 ang ating score. Best player of the ball game, si Angeles at saka si Punsalan. Unahin ko muna si Angeles. Angeles, nung first quarter, nung nag-breakaway kayo, ang dami mong acrobatic shot, ha? Marami kang pinakawalan, ha?
Ano lang din po, yung mga ginagawa namin sa training, hanggang siyempre napakahirap ng training kapag nasa game na, yung pressure ay magagawa na namin.
And Punsalan, ikaw naman sa defensive stance sa third quarter, napigilan mo yung shooting ng Santa Rita rather. Paano mo ito yung may papatuloy for the coming games para you're gonna be a formidable team, Team San Simon?
Patuloy lang po kami nagpa-practice kasi
Binabati ko pala yung mga kaibigan ko sa San Simon, yung mga pamilya na sumusuporta sa aming bahay at sa mga naniniwala sa aming team, maraming salamat at sana saan namin kayo hanggang sa tournament, sa buong tournament na ito. Yun lang.
At ikaw naman, Punsalan, pagkakataon mo ng bumati.
papasalamat ako una po kay Jesus sa itaas, tsaka kay Governor Dennis Data Pineda sa boss namin, tsaka sa mga coaches namin sa San Simon, tsaka yung mga kabalan natin sa Kapampangan.
Okay, congratulations. Dakal salamat kay kayo. 4 games,